SafeLink Wireless provides affordable wireless service to eligible low-income households. As of late 2025, activating your SafeLink SIM involves pairing it with a compatible, unlocked GSM device like an Android or iPhone. Activation can be done either online through the SafeLink website or app, or by calling customer support. The process involves registering the SIM on the T-Mobile network, SafeLink's network as of late 2023, and verifying your Lifeline eligibility. Digital activation is preferred and more efficient, taking about 10 to 30 minutes, while phone activation takes around 5 to 15 minutes, depending on eligibility confirmation. Make sure to have your device's IMEI, SIM card's ICCID, and personal information ready. Let's dive into the steps for each method. For online activation, visit safelink.com or use the SafeLink app. Create an account by providing your name, address, and SSN for eligibility verification. Enter your SIM's ICID and your device's IMEI. The system then registers your SIM on the T-Mobile network. Phone activation involves calling 1-800-SafeLink and providing the same information to a representative who will guide you through the process. Regardless of the method, you'll need to meet income requirements and provide proof of eligibility like utility bills. Ensure your device is unlocked and compatible with GSM networks. If successful, network registration success rates exceed 95%. SafeLink is also piloting recycled SIM cards and moving towards eSIM integration to simplify activation.